going to show you really quick how to set up your Game of Thrones intro on your lock screen or home screen. If you need help downloading the videos, please check out the Marvel intro. I have a walkthrough on how you can do that. So what you need to do is you go to your gallery, you need to find the video that you're looking for. So in this case, I already downloaded the Game of Thrones, and you can see it's 1 minute and 41 seconds. And as I explained on my previous video, Samsung will only allow you to do 15-second lock screens. So what you need to do is you click Set as Wallpaper, and then you're going to hit the Edit tab at the bottom. And now you have here 15-second slide. So you just need to choose which part of the intro you'd like. So in my case, I just want the ending, which will show the Game of Thrones logo. And now I don't want to see some of the credits, so I'm going to shorten this just a tad bit. So it's going to be actually less than 15 seconds. So let's give it a try. You'll see a preview before you can set it. So this is what it's going to look like. And that's going to be just fine. So let's hit Set as Wallpaper, and now let's lock the phone and see what we have. So now another reason that I tend to use a third-party app. So this looks nice, but you're not getting the entire word crammed in there. So what I do is, with the third-party app, which is Video Wallpaper, you can just go here, you can choose the video that you're looking for, which I already have it here. And you can just click here and you do Set as Wallpaper, which again, this will let you do home screen or lock screen. The Samsung will only let you do a lock screen. So let's try both. And now you'll see that it will actually cram the words in there, and you can see the whole thing. So that's why I tend to use the app.